BlueScope FY20 results have just been posted, and I've got to say I'm really happy with the way the business has performed in what's been quite a challenging year when you think about the impacts of the pandemic. A $564 million EBIT, 7.6% return on invested capital, and most importantly, still strong cash flow and a balance sheet that sees us at the end of the period with $79 million of net cash at bank. So the company has performed admirably in what's been a very challenging year. The board agreed to continue with the 8-cent dividend for our shareholders, which is really a reflection of the confidence that we have in our business model and the strength of our balance sheet. We've also continued to invest in our US $700 million investment in the North Star facility and expansion of our steelmaking business in North America. So a very exciting opportunity for us to continue to invest and be making more steel and putting it into the market in the second half of the FY22 financial year. I'd just like to thank all of our BlueScope people globally. We've managed over 150 sites to be safe and to continue to be operational. There's been mandated shutdowns that we've had to deal with across parts of our portfolio, but our team have worked diligently to stay safe, to look after each other, to look after their colleagues, and I'm really delighted that we've been able to minimise the impact of this horrible pandemic on our businesses. And that's a reflection of our knowledge and capability of managing workplace health and safety issues, which we've got a long and very strong track record of. What's interesting about the post-COVID opportunities is that BlueScope is really well positioned to take advantage of that. We operate in market. That's been our strategy for many years now. So as we see the localisation of supply chains, people bringing manufacturing back onshore, that's ideally suited to our in-market model. Similarly, shifts away from high density to more detached, lower density housing is a great opportunity for us. We've seen people spend time and money renovating, improving their homes after spending time working from home. So from our perspective, I think BlueScope and its suite of products are ideally suited to the post-COVID environment. I think overall the result for BlueScope is highly credible for FY20 given all the challenges that have been thrown at us. The company's really well positioned, has a very strong balance sheet. We have fantastic products, an incredible team, and we're well positioned to take advantage of the improvement that we'll see post the COVID pandemic.